Okay. Hello. Um, yeah. The circuit is working with the sensing uh, transistors to N7000. Yes. And the one, this little one, that is a semi-D. You cannot see it, but it's there. uh, yes, I mounted it. Everything right now in this to present it to you. I can if I'm making this is the sensing wire. If I'm making the sensing wire more longer, it will sense from more distance. But there are some customization that I wish to make on this. But in the same time I'm afraid it's either is a very complicated and hard to customize it as I please, or is impossible. I don't believe in impossible, but yeah, I believe it will be a bit more difficult than what I have here. So everything is very close to what I want, but I wanted it tweaked, a little bit more customized. This LED here that is opening is directly from you don't see it here it is from the Beche BC547, and this is the sensing transistor here, actually this which is you see it right now from top, and you see it perfectly vertical, but it's there, 3 pins and everything. It's the semi-D version, and yeah, you get it. So this LED is basically what is going on here, and I hooked up the input wire, this very long green wire. I hooked it up from the LM3914, no, the LED driver on the its fifth 5-pin there. I actually did some tests. It's a long story. I do a lot of permutations of testing. I did it without it, and it's working without the transistor, but it's more shitty. So transistor helps very much. So yeah, the customizations. I have 2 customizations. I don't have too many. The distance to be variable between on/off of the LEDs. When the LEDs are opening and closing, the distance from when I'm moving my hand toward the sensing wire, this wire, which I'm touching right now, which is very weird. It's you see, it's like a ring there. It's like a ring because I can. That's the only good way and very fast and easy to enlarge or to shorten the distance of the sensing. with the length of the wire and the shape of the wire. Even the shape, yes. So this is the wire, sensing wire. So the distance to be a bit more variable. From a potentiometer, I wish as a customization to be. The second customization, and the last, the same distance for each LED. So, and it takes some time until the second, and then very quickly the third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the 10 is the 9 and 10 is like the other circuit with the LDR before. 9 and 10 are the laziest. You can see it. I put it intentionally this here. I put it here because you can compare the two, and you can number at which LED this one is getting open and at which LED from the 10 is turning off. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So at 4 is opening, and as you can see, is not that gradual. I'm making an effort to make it gradual, but if I'm moving my hand normally, it's not that gradual at all. So until so there is 5, 6, 7, 8, something like that. It's like, and it stay lit, and you can see a very, very faint variation in luminosity of this probe LED. And my idea is to see it rise for each LED 9 degrees until it will reach 100%, from 10 to 10% to get brighter. Right now, when it reach the third here, when it reach the third, 1, 2, 3, fourth, the fourth, it's like boom, you know, it's like on the fifth it's already full lit. You see, it's maximum on the fifth, while I wish to see the level of luminosity. Yes, but this is not such a big concern. I mean, it's working. It's working, and it's working good enough. I'm 95% happy. 5% I'm not that happy, because I want to be able to make these calibrations or customizations, which it will be very cool, very, very cool to be able to do it. So I think this is it. Yeah. Yeah. Make abstraction of this part. Make abstraction of this part, because this is the op-amp circuit. Is not my circuit is in the diagonal mounted on this board, so on this diagonal like this. All right, that's it.